Hey guys, this is the senior educator, director and founder of CEA, means Cosmos English Institute. That CEA Institute deals with the Latur English factor. Guys, those who want to acquire fluency on English language, you are always welcome. Come, join us and just deal with our strategies. I am the director and I am the senior educator. I am here working as a senior educator. I will fulfill your wish with the help of GTM method, direct method and research methodology. Yeah guys, not a single use of grammar, means only 10% the use of grammar. And another concept is like that, how to speak fluent English without using the grammar. Yeah, I am just using that strategies to help to build the students. So finally guys, before going to start today's vlog, I just want to share that things in front of you. We are commencing new batches from 1st of January 2022. Those who want to take a fly in 2022, those who want to fulfill their dreams in 2022 in upcoming year, please come, you are always welcome. Come with us, join us and commence your new era. Let's fly with Cosmos English Institute. So guys, look, at morning while I am coming towards office, I was just observing that, and yesterday night my father gave me one book, and at the evening, at the yesterday's night, while I was reading that book, that time I noticed one point, and guys, that point is life is very short. Yeah, half of the life has been gone. What guys? Half of the life has been gone. In short, हिंदी में कहना चाहता हूँ, इंट्रो तक का जो मूवी है ना वो फिनिश हो चुका है. Seriously guys, half of the life has been gone. You have to do whatever the time span is like that. आधी जिंदगी तो खत्म हो चुकी है. Seriously, जो भी करना है वो अभी आपको इस मोमेंट में करना है. Some students are just saying like that, I will do tomorrow, I will do next year, I will do next month, I will do from Monday, Tuesday. Don't do such silly mistake. Guys, if you want to be successful in your life, that time you can start from that moment, you can achieve from that moment. And look guys, change your habit and your habit will change your future. You have to work on your habits at least 21 days, and look, in the 21 days you can change your habits, and in 90 days you can change your life. So those who want to change life, just work on yourself. And this is the asset, this is the ability. Yeah, you should have to work on your ability. This is the most expensive gift. And guys, look, work for the knowledge. What guys? This is the humble request by the Professor Ajay Maske Padil sir. Work for the knowledge, gather the knowledge, collect the knowledge. With the help of knowledge, you can become the brand. If you want to be the millionaire, if you want to be the brand person, if you want to be a successful person, that time you should deal with the knowledge. With the help of knowledge, whatever you are doing, if you are the engineering student, if you are doing the software engineering, if you are doing the practice at code, if you are the student, if you are the struggling for the career, you just do the practice. Practice is the only key. With the help of practice, everything is possible for you. Rather than practice, not a single thing you will get. Just increase your knowledge, increase your level, just upgrade yourself, update your skills. With the help of updation, do the practice. Whenever you can do the practice, that time you will get the result. Guys, seriously, as you saw, Shalini. Just like that, you have to first work on yourself. You have to update yourself. My question to all of you. How many times have you updated your mobile? Yeah, from purchase time, from the product, when you bought the mobile. From that day, how many times have you updated your applications? Obviously, you have updated that application lot of times. You have updated that applications. Then you have updated that mobile also, that system also. Then my question to you is, have you updated yourself? Once in a year? Not a single time you have updated from childhood, from the birth. from the infant level. Haven't you updated yourself? Yeah, I will guarantee you. So guys, this is the time you have to update yourself. Updation means just guys work on yourself, work on your communication skill. Yeah, work on your level, work on your knowledge. This is the updation. So all of you at the end of that video and at the end of the 2K21, I just want to tell whatever you had did mistakes in 2K21, don't repeat that mistakes. Yeah guys, if you want to do, if you want to achieve, if you want to fly in 2022, just avoid the mistake what you had yesterday. Seriously guys, what you had in 2K22, 2K21, just avoid that. Rather than that things, you upgrade your skill, you update your knowledge, you update yourself, and let's fly. Let's fly in 2022. Finally guys, change your habit and your habit will change your future. If there is a will, there is a way. First start dreaming. Yeah, first start dreaming in reality. Yeah, just write down one dream, what you want to achieve in 2022, and then start chasing that dream one by one. Yeah guys, if plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. And just like that, all powers within me, I can do anything and everything. Yeah guys, just finger out towards people, finger out towards relatives, finger out towards your friends, your relatives, your colleagues, your near and dear ones, just finger out towards you. All powers within me, I can do anything and everything. And guys, nothing is impossible in the world. Seriously guys, nothing is impossible in the world, because impossible word itself says that I am possible. And finally guys, I just want to give one story. I just want to share one story in front of you with the help of that blog. While coming towards office, I have just observed that thing. One small kid just observing that tree, how that tree grow, how that plant grow. Just like that, you are a living being. You have the lot of potential. Just grow your potential. You are non-stoppable person. Don't stop at any moment. If you want to be a brand person, then push your skills, push your will, work on yourself, work for you. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible for you. So guys, if you like my video, then share with your friends, press like button, press to subscribe button, and follow to our institute and follow to Mind Strategies. Chalo guys, finally. Bye bye, take care, enjoy your day. Thank you so much.